We got to do the same thing we did before. We need to factor out that leading coefficient if we can. So we're going to get y equals, and we're going to pull out the 4/9. Remember, when you're multiplying or when you're factoring on 4/9, it's like dividing by 4/9 or multiplying by the reciprocal, which means we're going to get x squared. And again, if I've got 32/9 divided by 4/9, isn't that like going times 9/4? Those cancel, that cancels, that leaves an 8, right? So that just becomes plus 8x. And again, same thing would be true for the next one. If we divide by 4/9, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, and that's going to be plus 7. I can now factor that. I'm looking for factors of 7 that add up to 8. We're hoping that's 7 and 1. So y is equal to 4/9 x plus 7 x plus 1, which tells us that x is either equal to -7 or -1. Points there, right there. My axis of symmetry. And the easiest way here is just to go -7 plus a -1 divided by 2 is -4. So I've got an axis of symmetry right here at -4. X equals -4. My vertex now is -4 comma something. We'll find that out simply by plugging this in. Y equals 4/9 times 16 minus 32 plus 7. -16 plus 7 is -9. So I've got 4/9 times -9 will equal 4. That should be a negative, shouldn't it? -4. So I've got a point right there. Negative. Next, I've got to find my y-intercept. I'm going to create a little bit of room. We know the y-intercept is wherever the x value is 0. So I might go back to my original equation, y equals 0 plus 0 plus, and it was 28/9. Okay, 28/9. How big is 28/9? Isn't that going to be 3 1/9? 3 1/9. So that's just going to be a little bit above 3, and then we'll have a symmetrical point right over here. That point right there is 0 comma 3 1/9. On the other side, it's going to be -8 comma 1/9. Okay, now again, I could go up 4/9 if I wanted and go over 1 and get 2 more points. 4/9 is almost 1/2, so literally you're getting points like right here. Okay, that's not needed, but that's a bonus. So now we just got to finish the parabola here. Nice smooth curves, and we're done.